conversational AI solutions are applicable to limited use cases and restricted number of customer interactions. Is that a myth or reality?
AI is not rigid. And what we're finding, just as you can take a call center agent, start them on a simple transaction of, say, account balance, and they understand the domain, and then you move them to something slightly more complex, and then you get them to address changes, and then you get them to fraud. The reason you're able to do that is because the human being is learning. But what actually are they learning? They're learning three things. They're learning ontology. And what is ontology? Ontology simply is, what are things called in that domain? That's what the AI is doing. They are learning about the context. So when you're doing a simple thing as giving a customer a balance, you are learning about the customer and you bring that to the more complex transaction. So I think the learning, the context, the ontology, the context, as well as the domain, and on all these three things, we are able to combine the existing process and the data along with the AI technology. And so it really becomes cross use cases. Now, we want to be candid. You don't want to start with the most complex use case. I go back to a story about 15 years back. There was a travel client of ours. They had an emergency travel business, and they decided that was the first thing they were going to move to a digital channel. Really bad choice. When someone's in a storm, missed 3 flights, at that point, they might want something, they might want the comfort of a human agent. Start with the correct use case and move up to the most complex one. So I think there's a little bit of experience that needs to be woven into the choice of use cases too.